L'Institut d'Investigació Biomèdica Sant Pau és un centre de recerca en medicina experimental, clínica, epidemiològica i de serveis sanitaris. Treballem amb investigació d'alt nivell orientada a desenvolupar nous coneixements, tècniques i processos que permetin millorar la qualitat de vida dels ciutadans. Quan parlem d'investigació translacional, parlem d'investigadors bàsics i clínics treballant junts per millorar la vida dels pacients a través dels descobriments mèdics. El nostre repte és innovar constantment. Per nosaltres, el futur ja ha començat.
The Hospital de Sant Pau is one of the most important medical care centres in Spain and is also known for its scientific production. In 2009, a number of healthcare and research entities created the Sant Pau Biomedical Research Institute, IIB Sant Pau. 3 of these directly form part of the IIB Sant Pau, the Hospital Healthcare Management Foundation, which manages healthcare, educational and research activities. Private foundation, which owns and manages the HSCSP buildings, and the IIB Sant Pau, which fosters and communicates its research. The other entities are Catalan Institute of Cardiovascular Sciences, which conducts basic and clinical research into cardiovascular diseases, the Puigvert Foundation, a Europhenology care centre landmark in Spain, the Autonomous University of Barcelona, which is renowned for quality and innovation in research, the Barcelona Sardinia Primary Care Centre, which is noteworthy for its clinical trials and epidemiology studies, the Blood and Tissue Bank, a key transfusion medical centre, the Ibero-American Cochrane Centre, which promotes evidence-based medicine, the Public Health Agency of Barcelona, which evaluates healthcare policies for the population in its catchment area. With excellence in biomedical research and public-private cooperation as its goals, the IIB Sant Pau seeks the following: to develop the talent of its researchers and to attract new researchers, to develop state-of-the-art infrastructures, services and technologies, to cooperate with pioneering research groups and technology partners. The activities are also represented in the most prestigious international publications and cooperation agreements. In all, the IIB Sant Pau occupies a privileged position in transnational biomedical research. In 2011, the Spanish government formally accredited the centre as a healthcare research institute and included it in its network of research centres of excellence. As a result of the IIB Sant Pau's activities, more than 400 researchers publish about 500 papers in index journals each year, and over 100 clinical trials with drugs are performed annually. These data encourage the IIB to continue with work that is vital to society. The IIB has 6,000 square metres of infrastructure and research support services, and some 400 scientists in 50 groups developing projects on diseases in 7 priority areas. Cardiovascular disease.
La recerca cardiovascular, que està generant grans avanços a nivell dels mecanismes moleculars i cel·lulars, té el repte de la seva aplicació per al descobriment de noves dianes terapèutiques, diagnòstiques i clíniques.
Genetic, metabolic and inflammatory diseases.
Hemos logrado grandes avances en enfermedades genéticas para su diagnóstico molecular e investigamos ahora el definir dianas terapéuticas para lograr curar o detener estos procesos.
Hematological and oncological diseases.
Avui coneixem els mecanismes cel·lulars alterats en les malalties hematològiques i comencem a revertir-los. Aviat transformarem aquestes malalties en processos crònics o les curarem en la majoria dels malalts.
Neurological and mental disorders. Uronephrology and experimental surgery.
Experimentar tècniques, dispositius i dubtes fisiopatològics per al desenvolupament de la cirurgia.
Epidemiology, public health and healthcare services.
Aquesta àrea té com a principals objectius contribuir a que l'atenció sanitària sigui més efectiva, eficient i segura, fomentant la pràctica clínica basada en l'evidència i assegurant un ús conscient, explícit i racional en la presa de decisions.
Molecular, genomic, cellular and kinetic dynamic bases for diseases and their treatment. The IIB Sant Pau makes its infrastructure and equipment available to its own and external researchers and to industry. The Centre for Drug Research, IIB Sant Pau, conducts tests for national and international pharmaceutical companies. The IIB Sant Pau also makes its scientific and technical platforms available for confocal microscopy and fluorescence, genomics, proteomics, transcriptomics, cytometry and immunohistochemistry, biobank and in vivo experimentation. To these can be added the imaging and neurophysiology platform, which evaluates neurophysiology activity and alterations in sleep-wake patterns.
Looking ahead, the challenges will centre on improving health system quality and on reducing costs. Innovation is therefore one of the IIB Sant Pau's objectives. As well as the I2CAT Foundation, the IIB Sant Pau has created I2 Health Sant Pau, which develops new health projects and services through state-of-the-art information technologies. In the near future, new infrastructure for research, development and innovation will be built with a view to concentrating all the activities currently performed in different buildings in a single space. With these new facilities, the IIB will be able to further consolidate its activities and attract more talent. A project that's already a reality. Because our future health and well-being and those of future generations depend on what we do today. In the Sant Pau Biomedical Research Institute, the future has already begun.